Mystery of disappearance of Gujarat native Bashudev Bhandari has not solved even after more than a year. This matter is investigated by Crime Branch, and Crime Branch feels that Bashudev Bhandari drowned in the river after his car plunged into river on 1st September 2024. Now the Crime Branch has filed charge sheet in this case against two accused persons, namely Yasin Sheikh and Mohammad Gaus. Both are residents of Karnataka. This is case of the Crime Branch that these accused persons chased Bashudev Bhandari on that fateful night and endangered his life. Due to the reckless chase, Bashudev Bhandari drove his car into the river mistakenly. Bashudev Bhandari was accompanied by his girlfriend, who somehow came out of the river, and till date neither his body was ever found nor police could find any information about his disappearance. The Crime Branch has charge sheeted both the accused for endangering life or personal safety of others, wrongful restraint and criminal intimidation. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.